My name is Jaggu. I live in Nagpur. Come with me. I will tell you about the animals that live near my house. This is a dog. It lives near the gate. These are cats. They jump up and down in the veranda of my house. This is a cow. It eats grass. This is a rat. The rat is very small. The cat chases the rat. These are monkeys. They swing and jump in the trees. There is a field beside my house. There are a few snakes in it. You have to walk carefully in the field. Now, I will also tell you about the birds I see near my house. This is a crow. It is black in color. This is a pigeon. It is gray in color. This is a sparrow. It is a small bird. This is a parrot. It is green and has a red beak. This is a peacock. It has many colors. I love animals and birds.